Hey guys, hope you guys liked our previous video. For anyone new here, this video is the second part of the 3-part series we are doing on hair fall and how to fix the problem with diet. We looked at how important protein is for hair growth. We also discussed biotin and looked at biotin-rich recipes last week. This week, let's try to understand the importance of zinc in reducing hair loss. Zinc is an essential element for maintaining the structural strength of the hair follicle. Another important function of zinc is its role in DNA and RNA production. These are important phases in the hair follicle regeneration and repair cycle. Food and Nutrition Board of US Department of Health recommends 11 milligrams of zinc per day for men and 8 milligrams per day for women. This week, we crafted recipes that are protein-rich and have a good amount of zinc in them. Our first recipe this week is Falafel and Hummus. One serving of this Middle Eastern delicacy has pretty much everything you need for holistic health. In general, anything with chickpeas is promising health-wise, and this has double the amount of chickpeas. And it's completely plant-based and one of the best ways for vegans to get their protein. Our second recipe today is Rich Gourd Sesame Flour Curry. This is another wholesome yet light lunch food. Sesame flour is defatted and rich in protein and fiber, making it a great high protein alternative. The wide micronutrient profile is exactly what you need for a healthy day. Our last recipe today is a chicken pizza. This is the complete opposite of a conventional pizza nutrition-wise, but probably better in terms of taste due to fresh ingredients. This probably can come to the rescue of many parents in keeping their kids away from eating junk without making them sad. This can also be a good choice if you are working towards building muscle. Just a quick note on zinc supplementation. Like any mineral, excess of zinc can also be toxic to our bodies. Too much zinc can inhibit absorption of other minerals and vitamins and can actually lead to hair loss. Consult a certified doctor and track carefully if you are considering supplementation.